What if you could rebuild your focus in 60 seconds a day? No app, no pill, just 5 stupidly simple brain exercises. Because right now, the average person lasts 47 seconds on a screen before switching and loses 23 minutes refocusing after every interruption. Your attention system isn't broken, it's just weak. So let's train it. 5 exercises, 60 seconds each, all backed by 2025 neuroscience. Let's go. Before we get into the exercises, one thing you need to understand about your brain. There's a chemical called acetylcholine. Think of it as your brain's focus juice. When acetylcholine is flowing, you're locked in. When it's low, you're doom-scrolling raccoon videos. Here's what's wild. In October 2025, a McGill University trial put adults over 65 through 10 weeks of daily brain training and actually measured their acetylcholine going up 2.3%. NBC News and NPR both covered it. Normally, you lose about 2.5% per decade just from aging, so that's roughly a decade run backward. Now, that trial tested one specific computer program, not the 5 exercises in this video. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. But it proves the part that matters. Your attention isn't a fixed trait you were born with. It's tissue, and tissue responds to training. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Sit somewhere comfortable. Close your eyes. Breathe in deep through your nose. Slow, maybe 4 to 5 seconds. Then, as you exhale, hum. Pick any note. Let it vibrate in your throat and chest. Do this 5 to 10 times over the minute. Here's what's happening. That humming vibration physically stimulates your vagus nerve, the main highway connecting your brain to your body. When the vagus nerve activates, it tells your nervous system to switch from panic mode to focus mode. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that actually does the focusing, comes online properly. Deep breathing practices have been shown in studies published in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience to enhance cerebral and psychological flexibility. Do this every morning before work. It's like a warm-up set for your brain. Grab any object near you, coffee mug, pen, your keys, doesn't matter what it is. Set a timer for 60 seconds and just look at it. Really look at it. Notice the texture, the weight in your hand. How light hits the surface. Are there scratches, fingerprints, a logo you never paid attention to? This is called sensory immersion, and psychologists use it in something called MBCT, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. It's actually a validated treatment for ADHD. Research shows that anchoring your attention onto a single object activates your ventral attention network. That's the brain circuit that resists distraction. Think of this as a reset button. Your mind wandered during work? Object microscope for 60 seconds. Back to work. It's stupidly simple, and it actually works. Now here's where it gets strange. The next one doesn't feel like a focus exercise at all. It feels like math homework. Stay with me. This one feels like a math test, but it's actually mental weightlifting. Start at 200. Count backward by 7. 200, 193, 186, 179. Keep going for 60 seconds. If you mess up, and you will mess up, don't stop. Just keep subtracting 7 from whatever wrong number you landed on. The point isn't accuracy. The point is keeping your brain on the rails when it wants to wander. Neuroscientists call this serial subtraction. Studies in Frontiers in Neuroscience have shown that these kinds of working memory tasks literally strengthen your brain's ability to sustain attention, even when the task gets boring and repetitive. And that's exactly when focus matters most. This one's a rule, not a 60-second exercise. Your phone does not exist for the first 30 minutes after you wake up. Not check one notification, not just see if anyone texted. Nothing. Your phone stays in another room, not your nightstand, another room, for 30 full minutes after your eyes open. Here's why. When you wake up, your brain is in a state called theta-alpha transition. It's like creative soup. The moment you grab your phone, you flood your brain with external dopamine hits. Notifications, messages, terrible news, someone's breakfast on Instagram. You're hijacking your brain's natural wake-up sequence before it even finishes booting up. Every morning phone scroll is chipping away at your focus before your day even starts. Protect the morning. Your focus is built in the first 30 minutes. Pick one task, any task. Reply to an email. Write one sentence. Wash one dish. Set a timer for 60 seconds. During that minute, nothing else exists. Phone face down, notifications off, door closed if possible. The task itself doesn't matter. What matters is that for 60 full seconds, your brain does one thing without switching. This is the micro sprint, and it's training the most important attention muscle you have: distraction resistance. Remember that stat from the beginning, 23 minutes to recover from one interruption? Every time you complete a 60-second sprint, you're teaching your brain that it can resist the itch to switch. 60 seconds, one task, no mercy for distractions. Go. You don't need all 5. Start with 2. The dopamine lock tomorrow morning, the Vegas hum before work. Give it 2 months and you'll be a different person than the one watching now. Which one are you trying first? Comment below and subscribe.